Hello children, good morning. Welcome to ELGA online class. Okay, yeah, children, today we are going to cover ELGA 4 day 1 of unit 2. Okay, yeah students, today we are going to cover the first section, phonics. ELGA 4 day 1 of unit 2. Okay. Children, now in the phonics section we are going to cover a word family. In the phonics section we are going to cover a word family. P, up. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. P, up word family. Okay. Yes, students. Now look at the board. Yeah, children. First I will read the word. Okay. First I will read the word. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Okay. Top. Top. The word make three sounds. The word make three sounds. Okay. What are the three sounds? Children, anybody say the answer? What are the three sounds? Yeah, very good. The beginning sound, middle sound and end sound. Okay, say once again. The beginning sound means starting sound. Next, middle sound. The end sound, the last sound. Okay, yeah, children, listen. The word make three sounds. What are the three sounds? Ta, p, ta. Children, please repeat after me. Ta, p, ta, ta. Once again. Ta, p, ta, ta, p, ta. Okay. Next. The next word is mom. Mom. P, mom. Okay. Yeah. Now. Yeah. We are going to read the three sounds together. Okay. P, mom. P, mom. Next. Cough. Cough. K, k, a, p. Cough. K, a, p. Cough. Next. Hop. Hop. How to read the word? Hop. The word is hop. H, h, a, p. Hop. Okay. The next word. Bop. Bop. B, a, p. Bop. B, a, b. Bop. Next word is pop. Pop. P, a, p. Pop. P, a, p. Pop. The last word is sop. Sop. A, p. Sop. A, p. Sop. Once again. A, p. Sop. Okay. Children, now look at the slide. Of word family. Okay. Of word family. Yeah, students, now take your ELGA reader book. Take soon. Children, please take your ELGA reader book. Page number 27. Yeah, children, take soon your ELGA reader book with your pencil. Okay. Okay, students, let us learn of word family. Okay. Of word family. First one. Look at the first one picture. Read the word. Very good. Top. Top. T, up. Top. Next. Look at the next one picture. Mom. Mom. Up. Mom. Okay. Next. See the next picture. Cob. Cob. K, up. Cob. Okay. Look at the next one picture. Hop. Hop. H, up. Hop. Okay. Next. The another word, bob. Bob. B, a, b. Bob. B, a, p. Bob. Okay, next. The another word is pop. Pop. P, a, p. Pop. The last word is sob. S, a, p. Sob. Very good. Okay, yeah, students, next. See the next slide. Now we will read the sentence. Okay. Read these sentences. First one. Yeah, sentence number 1. Yeah, children, please finger on your book. I see a mom. I see a mom. Okay. Yeah, children, in this sentence, the blue color words are called phonics word. The blue color words are called phonics word. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Once again, I will read the first one sentence. I see a mom. Next, second sentence. Frogs can hop. Frogs can hop. Next, third one sentence. This man is a cow. This man is a cow. Yeah, children, the third sentence is this man is a cow. Next, fourth one sentence. I hop and play with a dog. Fourth one sentence. I hop and play with a dog. Next, fifth one sentence. The balloon on top goes pop. Fifth one sentence. The balloon on top goes pop. Okay, yeah, children, listen. All the blue color words are called phonics word. Okay. Okay, yeah, students. See the next slide. Art word family. Say I love you. Art word family. Yeah, children, next we are going to learn about art word family. Okay, art word family. Look at the board. Yeah, children, listen. T. Art word family. Okay. Cart. Cart. K, a, t. Cart. K, a, t. Cart. Next. Dot. Dot. D, a, t. Dot. The next word. Hard. Hard. H, a, t. Hard. H, a, t. Hard. The last word. Pot. Pot. P, a, t. Pot. The next line. Jot. Jot. J, a, t. Jot. The another word. Lot. L, a, t. Lot. The next word. God. God. G, a, t. God. The last word. Sa. A, p. Sa. Okay, yeah, students, now see the slide. Art word family. Yeah, children, first I will read the all words. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Okay. Okay, yeah, great. Listen. Cart. K, a, t. Cart. The next word. Dot. D, a, t. Dot. The another word. Heart. H, a, t. Heart. The last word. Pot. P, a, t. Pot. The next line. Jot. J, a, t. Jot. The next word. Lot. L, a, t. Lot. The another word. God. G, a, t. God. The last word is sa. Sa. Okay. Yeah, children, now we will read the sentence. Okay. Read these sentences. First sentence. Yeah, children, I will read the sentence. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Okay. The pot has a green dot. Yeah, children, in this sentence, what are the whole words? Yeah, very good. Pot and dot. Pot and dot. Yeah, children, I will read the sentence once again. The pot has a green dot. The second sentence. My balloon has a dot. My balloon has a dot. A dot is a whole word, phonics word. Okay, yeah, children, next. Number 3. I got a pot with a dot. Yeah, children, in this sentence, how many phonics words? Yeah, very good. Pot and dot. Pot and dot. Next, read the fourth sentence. It is a hot pot. Read the sentence once again. It is a hot pot. Yeah, hot and pot are phonics word. Okay. Next, the remaining words are called whole words. Yeah, children, already you know. Okay. Next, the fifth sentence. Sit on a cot with a pot. Read the sentence once again. Sit on a cot with a pot. Yeah, children, in this sentence, cot and pot are called phonics word. Okay. Yeah, children, now our phonics section over. Next, we will cover the whole word section. Okay, let us learn the whole word section. Okay. Children, now take your Elga Reader book, page number 42. Yeah, students, please take your Elga Reader book, page number 42. Whole word section. Take soon, children. Yeah, children, I will give the time for you. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, students, your time over. Children, please take your Elga Reader book, page number 42. Whole word section. Okay, yes, students, listen. Look at the slide. Whole words means what? Whole words means, yeah, children, we do not use the letter sound. We do not use the letter sound. Yeah, children, this is called the whole words. Practice reading these words at home. Okay. Yeah, children, daily take your Elga Reader book. Yeah, daily I want to read these words. Okay. Practice words from previous level. Okay. Yeah, children, now I will read the words. Okay. First one. Many. Many. The next word. Goes. Goes. The next word. Two. Two. The another word. Hour. Hour. The last word. Look. Look. Next. The second line. The another word. If. If. The next word. Sa. Sa. Next word. Some. Some. The another word. From. From. The last word. She. She. Children, please repeat after with me. The third row. There. There. Tell. Tell. The next word. Also. Also. The another word. Have. Have. The next word. Same. Same. The fourth line. Has. Has. The next word is so. So. The another word is in. In. The next word is off. Off. The last word is we. We. Yeah, children, in today's class, we will learn few words only. Okay. Yeah, children, look at the board. Whole words. Went. Went. W-E-N-T. Went. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Read the whole words. W-E-N-T. Went. The next word is said. Said. S-A-I-D. Said. The another word is was. Was. W-A-S. Was. The next word is it. It. I-T. It. Okay. Yeah, children, how to make the sentence from these words? Okay. Yeah, children, look at the slide. We went to see Delhi. We went to see Delhi. Yeah, in this sentence, the orange color word is called whole word. Okay. Next, read the second sentence. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. She said it was fun. Once again, she said it was fun. Okay, in this sentence, said is a whole word. Okay, next, the next sentence. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. Yeah, children, in this sentence, what is the whole word? Very good. Was. Was is a whole word. Next, she felt happy after seeing it. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. She felt happy after seeing it. Okay, in the sentence, what is the whole word? Very good. Awesome. It. It is a whole word. Very good, children. Okay, yeah, students, next. The whole word section is over. Next, we are going to cover reading comprehension. Okay. Yeah, children, now look at the slide. Yeah, children, before we are going to start the lesson, I will ask one question for you. Okay. Yeah, children, where do you live? Where do you live? Children, where are you coming from? Very good. You are coming from village or town. Okay. Children, listen. Which is our country? Say the answer. Which is our country? Very good. India is our country. India is our country. Yeah, children, we are all Indians. Okay. Yeah, students, listen. Look at the picture. What is this? What is this? This is map of India. This is map of India. India is our country. Okay, we are all Indians. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. This is India. Okay. Okay, children. Listen. Priya. Okay, in this story, Priya is a main character. In this story, Priya is a main character. Okay, Priya wants to see India. Okay, look at the slide. Yeah, children, listen. In the story, the author is Shakshi Bhatia. In the story, the author is Shakshi Bhatia. Illustration, Dick Penha. Okay, yeah, children, see the slide. Priya went to see India. Priya went to see India. Yeah, children, listen. Priya went to see India with her parents. With her parents. Yeah, in your family, how many members? In Priya's family, there are 4 members. Okay, how many members in your family? Okay, very good. Yeah, children, Priya's parents and her brother also. Okay, yeah, children, next. See the next slide. Read the sentence. Yeah, look at the picture. What do you think? She went to so many places. She went to so many places. She said it was fun. Yeah, children, read the sentence once again. She went to so many places. She went to so many places. She went to so many places. Okay. She said it was fun. Okay. Yeah, children. Priya. Priya is one asked their friends. Okay. Said to their friends, India is very beautiful. India is very beautiful. Okay. Yeah, children. Next. Discuss about the friends. Okay. Next. Look at the next one. Next one picture. They saw the Red Fort in Delhi. They saw the Red Fort in Delhi. It was beautiful. Yeah, children, have you seen the Red Fort? What is the color of Red Fort? Yeah, look at the slide. Yeah, this is called Red Fort. Yeah, it is very beautiful. Amazing. Okay. Okay, children. They saw the Red Fort in Delhi. Yeah, children, where is located in Red Fort? Yeah, very good. The Red Fort is located New Delhi. Okay, it is very beautiful. Priya, come to the India. First go and visit the first place, Red Fort. Okay. Next. She went to so many places. Yeah, children, in the sentence, many means what? What is the meaning of many? Very good. Many means lot of. Many means lot of. Okay, yeah, children, read the first one bubble. There are 5 things the girl is talking about. Okay. Listen, in the first bubble, yeah, students, look at the first one bubble. Okay, this is called the thought bubble. There are 5 things the girl talking about. Okay, next see the number 2. She. Yeah, in this picture, she means who is she? The girl. Who is the girl? The Priya. Okay, the Priya wants to talking about 5 things. Okay, she means Priya. Next, went, to go. Okay, went means to go. எங்கெங்க போனாங்க, என்னென்ன பிளேஸ் பார்த்தாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண போறாங்க அவங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு. யாரு? பிரியா. பிரியா வந்து அவங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண போறாங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் பிளேசஸ். வேர், எங்கெங்க போனாங்க. ஓகே, children, next look at the orange color bubbles. She is trying to say a lot of places. Okay, she is trying to say a lot of means many places. Lot of means what? Many places. So many means what? A lot of. Many means what? A lot of. Okay. Okay, children, next we are going to move the next slide. Find the meaning of a word. Find the meaning of a word. Okay. Find the meaning of a word. Yeah, children, listen. See the slide. When you do not know the meaning of a word, follow these steps. Find the meaning of the word many. Okay, yes students, listen. Look at the step 1. See the pictures with the sentence. See the pictures with the sentence. She is talking to her friends and telling them about something. I see 5 things. I see 5 things. She is trying to tell them because there are 5 thought bubbles. Okay, yeah, Priya has a 5 thought bubbles. Okay, yeah, children, next. Step 2. Use other words in the sentence to find out the meaning. Yeah, went means to go somewhere. Okay, went means to go somewhere. She went to 5 places. Priya went to 5 places. So many. Okay, must mean a lot of places. A lot of places. Yeah, children, now look at the slide. They saw the Taj Mahal in Agra. It was beautiful. Yeah, children, have you seen the Taj Mahal? Yeah, look at the slide. How is it? What is the color of Taj Mahal? Very good. Yeah, it is white in color. It is very, very beautiful. Yeah, children, look at the slide. It is very, very beautiful. Awesome. Okay, next. See the next picture. Yeah, children, please read the sentence. They saw the Hawa Mahal in Jaipur. Read the sentence once again. They saw the Hawa Mahal in Jaipur. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. Beautiful means what? Super or very nice. Okay. The children, look at the next slide. They saw the Gateway of India in Mumbai. Okay, yeah, children, read the sentence once again. They saw the Gateway of India in Mumbai. It was also very beautiful. Okay, next. Read the next sentence. They also saw the Dal Lake in Kashmir. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. Yeah, children, now take a Elga Reader book, page number 30. Page number 30, 30. Take soon. Look at the pictures. Yeah, who is she? What is the name of this girl? Very good. Yeah, listen. She is Priya. She is Priya. Priya went to see India. Why Priya went to see India? Because India is very beautiful. India is very beautiful. Okay. So India went to see India. Next. Yeah, children, see the next one picture. She went to so many places. Many means lot of. She said it was fun. Okay, Priya discussed with her friends about India. Okay, next. See the next picture. They saw the Red Fort in Delhi. Yeah, where is located in Red Fort? Yeah, it is located in Delhi. Okay, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. Yeah, students, next. See the next slide. They saw the Taj Mahal in Agra. The Taj Mahal is located in Agra. It was beautiful. Next. They saw the Hawa Mahal in Jaipur. It was also beautiful. Next. They saw the Gateway of India in Mumbai. It was beautiful. Next. They saw the fifth one place. They also saw the Dal Lake in Kashmir. It was also so beautiful. Okay, yeah, children, look at the picture. What is this? What do you think? Very good. Yeah, children, what is the name of this picture? This is called India map. This is called India map. Okay. How many colors in the map? Very good. Yeah, children, there are 3 colors. Okay, it is our national flag colors. Orange, white and green. Okay, it is our national flag colors. Okay, yeah, children, listen. India is so beautiful. Red Fort, Taj Mahal, Hawa Mahal. Okay, Dal Lake. They are so beautiful. So, India is so beautiful. Okay children, now we are going to cover next section, grammar. Yeah children, listen. Read the spell for grammar. Read the spell. Grammar. Grammar. Read the spell once again. Grammar. Grammar. Yeah children, in today's class we are going to learn adverb. Adverb. Yeah, before we are going to start the class, what did you learn the previous lesson in the grammar section? Children, anybody you know? Yeah, very good. Yeah, noun and verb. Noun means what? What is noun? Children, noun means what? What is noun? Yeah, listen carefully. Noun is a naming word. What is noun? Yeah, children, noun is a naming word. Name of the person. Listen. Name of the person. Okay. He is a milkman. Okay. He is a person. Next. She is. Who is she? She is a pharmacist. Okay. She is a person. Next. He is a soldier. He is also person. Okay, noun is a naming word. Name of the person. Animals and animals. Look at the picture. Next, what is this? Cow. Cow gives us milk. Next, what is this? Lion. King of the forest. Okay. Next, the tiger. Okay, this is noun. All the animals are called noun. Okay, yeah children, listen. What is your name? My name is Christina. What is your name? All the naming words are called noun. Okay, இப்ப நானும் ஒரு noun. இப்ப நீங்களும் ஒரு noun. உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் பேர் இருக்கா இல்லையா? எதுக்கெல்லாம் பேர் இருக்கோ அது எல்லாமே noun. Okay, name of the person. Person na யாரு? Human beings நம்ம. Okay, நம்ம எல்லாருமே யாரு? Noun. We are all noun. Okay, name of the person, animals. Okay, birds. The children listen. Hen. Next, duck. Okay, all the birds are called noun. Okay, all the birds, animals and things. And things. எதுக்கெல்லாம் name இருக்கோ அது எல்லாமே என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம? Noun. All the naming words are called noun. Okay, yeah children, did you understand? Very good, super. What is noun? Now you say the answer. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. Name of the person, place. Place means settings. படிச்சிருக்கோம்ல நம்ம. Okay, hospital, police station, bus stop, park, garden, jungle. Okay, all the places are nouns. Okay, next, name of the person, place, animals, birds and things. Okay, for example, pencil, pen. Next, pencil box, book, chair, table. Okay, these are called nouns. Yeah children, once again I will repeat. Noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. Name of the person, animals, birds, place and things. Okay, these are called noun. Next, what is verb? Verb means what? Yeah, children, now I will do one activity. Okay. You say the name. Very good. What is this? Clap. It is one action. It is one action. Next. Write. Write. Write is a action. Next. Walk. Run. Sleep. Sing. Eat. Drink. All the action words are called verb. Okay, yeah children, did you understand? All the action words are called verb. Yeah, in today's class, we are going to learn about adverb. Adverb means what? What is the difference between verb and adverb? Verb means action word. Okay, a person or animals do the action words. Okay, person animals நம்மலாம் செய்யற செயல்களை வந்து சொல்றது action word. Okay, adverb means what? Adverb, yeah children listen, the words we to use describe the actions. அதாவது ஒரு செயலை வந்து மிகைப்படுத்தி சொல்றது, ஒரு செயலை மிகைப்படுத்தி சொல்றது. சரிங்களா? Okay, yeah students, now look at the slide. Adverbs. In today's class, we are going to learn about adverb. Okay. Look at the slide. Adverbs. The words we use to describe the actions. Describe the actions. How is the action being done? Yeah, children, look at the slide. The old lady. Yeah, children, listen. She is a grandma. She is a grandma. She walks slowly. The grandma can be able to run fast. Grandma wala vegama oda mudiyuma? Mudiyadu. So she walks slowly. Yeah, children, in the sentence, what is the action word? Yeah, in this picture, the walk is a action word. நடக்குறாங்க, நட, walk அப்படிங்கிறது action word. அது வந்து மிகைப்படுத்தி சொல்றது. Describe the action word. Slowly. Okay, walks slowly. Yeah, slowly is a adverb. அப்ப என்னது action word? word வந்து எப்படி சொல்றாங்க action word? மிகைப்படுத்தி சொல்றது. Describe the actions. Describe the actions. Yeah, children, listen. The grandma walks slowly. How to walk? She walks slowly. Yeah, very good. Yeah, children, next. Look at the next one picture. The boy runs fast. Fast. Yeah, children, in this sentence, run is a action. Run is a action word. Okay, running. Okay. In the sentence, runs fast. Describe பண்ணிருக்காங்க பாத்திருக்கீங்களா? run ஓடுறத describe பண்ணி சொல்லிருக்காங்க. எப்படி ஓடுறான்? ஸ்லோவா ஓடுறானா? ஃபாஸ்டா ஓடுறானா? Yeah, children, listen. The boy runs fast. The boy runs fast. Okay. In the sentence, fast is a adverb. Fast is a adverb. Yeah, children, next look at the last one picture. Writes quickly. The boy writes quickly. Write is an action word. Write is an action word. Quickly is an adverb. Quickly is an adverb. Next, the children listen. Sings loudly. The girl sings. பாட்டு பாடுறாங்க. Sings loudly. Yeah, sing is the action word. Loudly is a adverb. Okay, describe the action. So, sings loudly. Next, look at the next one picture. Makes easily. The boy makes easily. Makes is a action word. The easily is a adverb. Okay. Next, the last one picture. sits happily. The girl is sits and happily. Happily is a adverb. Okay. Yeah, children, now I will check your understanding. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Yeah, students, now take your worksheet. Take soon. Yeah, children, I will give the time for you. Take your worksheet. Take soon, children. Page number 37. Students, please take your worksheet. Page number 37. Children, take soon. Okay, yeah, students, listen. Adverb. Choose the correct adverb to complete each sentence. The turtle walks dash. Yeah, the turtle can be able to walk fast or slowly. Very good. Slowly. Next, the dog bark. The dog bark loudly or fast. Loudly. Next, the boy can run dash. Fast or slow? I ate my food loudly or quickly. Yeah, children, the answer is here. Look at the slide. Yeah, children, listen. The turtle walks slowly. The turtle walks slowly. Yeah, children, take your pencil, write the answer quickly. Take your worksheet, page number 37. Complete your worksheet quickly. Look at the slide. Write the answer. Take your pencil. The dog barks loudly. The turtle walks slowly. The dog barks loudly. The next sentence. The boy can run fast. The boy can run fast. I ate my food quickly. I ate my food quickly. Very good. You finished? Okay, children. Awesome. Next, we are going to cover the writing section. Now, yeah, children, all the students take your worksheet. Take soon. Yeah, page number 34. Yeah, students, please take your worksheet. Page number 34. Take soon, children. Circle the words with the ending sound you hear. The ending sound is pa. Pa. Yeah, now I will read the words. Hop, pat, cop, nab. Once again, question number 1, letter A, hop, pat, cop, nab. Okay, next, letter B. Yeah, children, listen. In the answer, the ending sound is P. Yeah, children, look at the slide. Circle the two words. Next, question number 1, letter B. Now I will read the words. Lad, lad, cot, tap, pot. The ending sound is T. What is the ending sound? T. Yeah, children, take your pencil. Circle the T sound word. Ending sound, T sound word. Next, question number 1, letter C. Yeah, I will read the words. Sam, sun, run, fun. Okay, the ending sound is What is the ending sound? Yeah, children, circle the three words. Circle the three words. Sun, run, fun. Okay, children, next, question number 2. Question number 2. Circle the words with the middle sound you hear. Middle sound means what? Yeah, between the starting and the ending sound. In between the starting sound and the ending sound, in the middle of the sound is here. Yeah, children, listen. Question number 2, letter A. Yeah, I will read the words. Leg, pet, mug, jug. The middle sound is uh. Yes. Circle the word leg and pet. Next. Question number 2, letter B. I will read the words. Lap, run, map, nip. The middle sound is The children circle the word lap and map. Lap and map. Okay, next number 2, letter C. Read the words pot, mat, cart, set. What is the middle sound? Circle the word pot and cart. Pot and cart. Okay. Yes, students, listen. Next. Circle the whole words you hear. Circle the whole words you hear. Your children, listen. Take your pencil. Circle the whole words. It. It. Next. Said. Said. The another word. Went. Went. The last word. Was. Was. Your children, page number 34. Circle the whole words you hear. It. Said. Went. Was. Okay. Next. Yeah, children, page number 35. Page number 35. Find naming words, verbs and adverbs in each sentence and write them in the correct column below. Okay, yeah, children, now I will read the sentence for you. Okay. Yeah, students, listen. Take your worksheet, page number 35. Take soon. Yeah, children, now I will read the sentence for you. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Okay. First sentence. Varun eats food quickly. Yeah, in this sentence, what is the naming word? Varun and food. Okay. Eat is a verb. Quickly is a adverb. Okay, next. The next sentence. Why is Ria singing so slowly? Why is Ria singing so slowly? Yeah, in this sentence, Ria is a naming word. In this sentence, Ria is a naming word. Singing is a verb. Slowly is a adverb. Okay. Yeah, children, next sentence. Question number 1, letter C. A man was singing very loudly. A man was singing very loudly. Yeah, children, listen. In the sentence, a man is a naming word. Okay. Singing is a verb. Loudly is a adverb. Next. Question number 1, letter D. Rohit can run very fast. Rohit can run very fast. Rohit is a naming word. Run is a verb, action word. Okay. Next, fast is a adverb. Next, the dog can hear very quickly. Yeah, in the sentence, dog is a naming word. Hear is a action. Okay, verb. All the action words are called verb. Okay, next. Quickly is a adverb. Next sentence. If. She says all the things loudly. She says all the things loudly. Yeah, children, in this sentence, things is a naming word. Things is a naming word. Says. Says is a verb. Loudly is a adverb. Next. My grandfather walks slowly. Yeah, in this sentence, grandfather is a naming word. Walks is a verb, action word. Okay. Next, slowly is a adverb. Next. Question number 1, letter H. Can you write your name quickly? Can you write your name quickly? Yeah, children, in the sentence, name is a naming word. Name is a naming word. Write is a action. Okay, this is called verb. Next, quickly is a adverb. Okay, yeah, children, now take your pencil with your worksheet, page number 35. Yeah, children, write quickly on your worksheet. Yeah, children, now I will give the time for you, 10 seconds. Children, write quickly. Your countdown start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, children, your time over. Next. Yeah, children, see the next slide. Page number 35. Circle the adverbs in each sentence. Circle the adverbs in each sentence. Yeah, children, I will read the sentence for you. Can you run fast? Can you run fast? Yeah, in this sentence, what is the adverb? Very good. Fast. Fast is the adverb. Your children, take your pencil, circle the word fast. In next, second sentence, Varun eats his food slowly. Varun eats his food slowly. Yeah, children, in the sentence, what is the adverb? Slowly. Slowly is the adverb. Yeah, children, take your pencil, circle the word slowly. Next, the dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. Yeah, children, loudly is a adverb. Take your pencil, circle the word loudly. Next, Ram can quickly go to the school. Ram can quickly go to the school. Yeah, children, in this sentence, quickly is a adverb. Take your pencil, circle the word quickly. Yeah, children, listen. Next, whole words. Page number 36. Page number 36. Yeah, children, this is for your homework. Okay, read each sentence and circle the whole words from the box. Yeah, children, look at the box. Yeah, in the box, there are 4 whole words. How many whole words in the box? There are 4 whole words. Yeah, children, I want to circle the whole words from these sentences. Okay, I want to circle the whole words from these sentences. Okay, this is your homework, children. Do your homework properly. Next. Yeah, children, take your worksheet page number 37. Take your worksheet page number 37. Yeah, students, take soon. Okay, very good. Page number 37, take your pencil. Circle the picture that matches the meaning of the underlined word. Okay, yeah, children, look at the sentence. Beautiful India. Yeah, in the sentence, there are 2 pictures. Okay, below the sentence, there are 2 pictures given. Okay, first one picture. Look at the picture. The frock is very beautiful, clean and neat. The another one frock is very ugly. Okay, so beautiful means what? Clean. Okay, yeah, children, circle the first one picture. Take your pencil. What is the meaning of beautiful related to the picture? Very good. Next. Yeah, children, read the next sentence. Priya went on a holiday to India. Priya went on a holiday to India. Yeah, children, look at the picture. Yeah, the word is underlined, holiday. Holiday is underlined. Okay, yeah, children, look at the first one picture. A girl is sitting on the sofa. Okay, and read the book. Next, the another one picture is some children are going to the car and to the picnic. Okay, yeah, students, holiday. When we are going to the picnic? During the holidays. Okay, yeah, children, circle the second one picture. Next. Yeah, see the next one picture. She went to so many places. Yeah, children, already I told to you, many means what? Lot of. Many means what? Lot of. Very good. Yeah, children, in this picture, yeah, one apple is one side. The other side, there are 5 apples. So, many means lot. Lot of. Okay, yeah, children, circle the 5 apples. Okay. Okay, children. Very good. Next, today's homework. Yeah, children, write the letter Q to T. Write the letter Q to T. There are 4 letters. Q or S T. I want to write 4 letters. Write in your 4-line note. Okay, you continue the previous letters. Okay, write in your 4-line note. Yeah, children, write the letter Q to T. Write in your 4-line note. Okay. The children, okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy learning. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.